We love thy Sabbath, Lord, and worship at thy will. Oh, may this our sweet peace afford, and the perfect instill. Praise for thy wondrous love, that sealed this sacred day, as I the own may understand, we on thy sovereign sway. And with the white robe drawn, upon Mount Zion be, and joyful sing our Sabbath song through all eternity.